Hey kids, Christmas is coming, and we always do a Christmas tree drawing contest in December with my friends. This year, I asked Walter to help me. He gave me this drawing, and I'm going to try to reproduce it. I love drawing Christmas trees because we can add so much color and decorations and use our own creativity. If I do it well, maybe Walter will let me decorate the real tree later. Let's start by the top of the tree. I draw like a little triangle with a wavy base. Then I build it from that. I sort of add little skirts under each part, each a little bigger than the previous. I take the time to draw a nice wave at the bottom. Then, when the tree is big enough, I add the trunk right at the bottom. To make the decorations, I draw little circles everywhere on the tree. Each of them will be an ornament. We'll color them with different colors later. I make these lines that cross the tree for the tinsel, and I add little circles close to it. That'll make the lights. At the very top, I draw a star in the shape of a paw. Ha! To do that, I do 3 little circles on top. And a big circle under it to hold it together. Now, I color the tree in green, but I leave out the ornaments so I can color them with different colors. Let's use brown for the trunk. Time to do the ornaments. For these, you can use any color you want. Here, I'll start with pink. Here, and right here. And now let's do blue for this one. And here. Then I'll use a yellow crayon for the star and the lights. Wow, I love it. I can't wait to see Minette, Cece, and Alice's drawings. Our wall is going to look so good with our drawings. Bye-bye. Hi, kids. Today is going to be super fun because we're going to draw Rudolph. I just love drawing him. He's so cute. Do you know why his nose is red? Reindeer have a dense network of blood vessels in their noses, and it helps reindeer regulate their body temperature in freezing conditions. Rudolph, in particular, has more blood vessels in his nose than your average reindeer, which is why it glows red so brightly that it lights up the sky for Santa. Now let's start. Let's start with the shape of the head, leaving a space for the ear on the right and the nose on the left. Now, I add the outline of his signature round nose. And the outline of the ear on the right. I add an inside line to add depth. This will help us for coloring later. Let's do the other ear. It's pretty much the same, but it's a little smaller because it's slightly further away. This gives the illusion of perspective. Now let's do the tip of the nose with a little circle. For the eyes, I'm drawing bigger circles on each side of the nose. And a dot right in the middle, of course. Then, a little line for the smile. And two more for the eyebrows. Let's do the antlers. This is fun. We can do as many antlers as we want, as their numbers vary depending on the deer. Let's move on to the body. Let's do the outline first. We leave spaces for the legs, just like that. All we need to do now is add the legs. We'll start with the ones closest to us, where we left the spaces earlier. And now we'll add the back leg behind. Then the last one in the front. Rudolph has a little perky tail. Now, let's add a line on the face and the belly to help us with the two colors he has on his body. And let's add lines on the back and the legs as well. Now, let's color the main part of his body with light brown crayon. Then, with a cream crayon, we do the lighter parts. Inside the ears, mouth, belly, legs, and butt. Then, with a dark brown, we do the feet. And to finish the drawing, we have to add, of course, the red nose. There! Look at that nose. So cute. It makes me so happy. I will put this on my wall, right next to my Christmas tree. Perfect. Merry Christmas!